and pray na itong pagkakataon na ibinigay sa inyo ay gagawin ninyong makabuluhan para maging makabuluhan din ito sa mga sa kumpanya na pagtatrabahuhan nyo in the future, sa inyong mga pamilya, sa komunidad, sa bansa at sa buong mundo.
Lasal! Go, go, Lasal, Lasal! Anin po, Lasal!
I'm the courageous Carl.
Intelligent Ian.
Self-reliant Sean.
Mysterious Mark.
Caring Claire.
Amazing Aljo.
Kind-hearted Kyle.
Extrovert Erica.
Jolly Lou. Pearl, and I am a patient.
Charismatic Christine.
Strong-willed Step.
Magnetic Michelle.
Activated Marco.
Marvelous Marco.
Marvelous Maribig.
Napakagandang niya.
Diligence Daniela po. Mighty Maria.
Ambitious Anna.
Adventurous Abby.
Loyal Leo.
The Kind Kyla.
Amazing Anna.
I am Cyril Kian. Persistent.
Competitive CJ.
Cheerful China.
Joker Ian.
Vicious Avril. Endurable Edeline.
Creative Carl po.
Chloe Angeline Tan.
Caring.
Radical Rafael.
Kind-hearted Kitty. Adaptable Ali. Listener Lian. Multi-talented Mike. I'm John Nigel Magtangov and I'm Jolly John.
Ferdinand, I'm Fanny Ferdinand. Vince Romualdo. Virtuous Vince. Resilient Ron. Legendary Lois.
I'm also a kind Kimberly po.
Artistic April. Radiant Rhea.
Enthusiastic Alicia.
Energetic Erica.
And we hope that this is the same meaning and the same value that this scholarship is able to provide to you. At wala kaming hinihinging kapalit. Wala kaming hibang inihinging kapalit, kundi pagbutihin nyo at kung kayo ay may pagkakataon na, ipasa nyo forward. That is the only way to say thank you to good things is by doing good things yourself. Very special itong programa ng GT REAP, particularly yung ating programa na ginagawa natin yung meet exercise. Because unlike most scholarship programs na nagsisimula first year college, tapos tatapusin hanggang fourth year college, bagong experiment namin ito na ang binibigyan ng scholarship yung mga nasa last academic year nila. And recently, nagkaroon kami ng opportunity na marinig yung naging experience ng first batch na nag-graduate.
Hi, I'm Alicia Bernadette Andrada, a BS in Information Technology graduate from TIPQC and a GT-RIP scholar. Being part of the GT-RIP scholarship program, sobrang daming opportunities yung nag-open. Nabigyan kami ng chance to have our internship and also work sa Metrobank. So aside sa educational assistance, sobrang laking tulong ng foundation when it comes to our career.
Hi, I'm Rayalyn Joy Macadaig, a BS Information Technology graduate from TIP Manila and GT RIP scholar. Dahil sa GT Foundation, na-experience po namin makapag-work sa Metrobank. Before intern, now we are now an employee of Metrobank. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa GT Foundation. Sana po mas marami pa po silang matulungan ng mga taong gustong makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at gustong maging maayos ang pamumuhay.
I'm April May Esta, a BS Information Technology graduate from TIP Manila. And now that I'm working at Metrobank, nabigyan ako ng opportunity na tumulong. And one of the core values of GT Foundation is paying it forward. Using my salary, makakatulong na ako sa family ko. And isa sa tradition ng aming pamilya is tumulong at magbigay ng mga regalo sa mga bata, lalo na ngayong dadating na Pasko.
And hi, I am Erica O. Concepcion, a graduate of BS Information Technology at TIPQC and a GT RIP scholar. Noong una kong nalaman na kasali ako sa first batch of scholars ng GT RIP, sobrang natuwa yung puso ko, sobrang akong natuwa kasi finally, alam kong makakatulong na ako sa pamilya ko in terms of my educational finances. Kasi dahil doon, kailangan ko na lang mag-aral ng mabuti nang hindi ko iniisip yung mga bayarin sa eskwelahan.
Sir, even though na magkakaiba man po kami ng schools, may same similarities din po. And nakikita ko rin po kung ba't po sila napili as scholars, sir.
We manifest but with actions po. So, though alam natin gusto natin lahat graduate, maging successful, we must have actions to achieve it po.
Is kahit magkakaiba po kami ng course is same po kami ng goal hanggang sa ano po, makuha po namin yung goal namin.
Gusto ko lang po i-message to everyone na top yourself and give some credit and be proud of yourself po. Or hindi po naging hinder yung pandemic para ituloy yung goal nila, which is to graduate. Be yourself and also gawin nyo lang yung kung ano yung gusto nyo talagang i-achieve sa buhay.
To find happiness, strength, hope, and we are called to serve. Sabi po kasi passion plus purpose. Para po sa akin, purpose fuel passion. And purpose fueling passion for the mission. And we are called to become an instrument of change to serve others and also change the lives of others po.
Kami naman in the Secretariat, we would like to ensure that number one, we provide the scholarship opportunity to the deserving students. At the same time, in our short limited time that we will be together, kasi nasa last academic years na kayo, di ba? Ay ma-inculcate din namin sa inyo yung mga values ni Dr. T. So, ang values na pinaka-importante ay perseverance, it's number one. Nagpursige siya. Second is paying it forward. And someday, kahit ito lang yung panggalingan ng inspiration na yan, na kayo din sana ay maging instrumento para makapagpatuloy ang iba sa kanilang pag-aaral or sa kanilang journey. Dahil naging inspiration din kayo. Thank you, GT Foundation!
Your personal finance is in your own hands, okay? You're in good hands with Metrobank, but your finance is in your own hands. So, when you look at that, it's all about managing your money. It's not just about cash flow, but looking at what we call financial quadrant. Do I have emergency funds? Am I able to pay my debts? Okay? Am I able to achieve my goals by investing? And lastly, do I have cover for the risk management? What is the most significant learning that you have taken this afternoon?
It gives us an insight kung paano natin i-handle yung finances natin in the future. To handle smart investment. And natutunan ko na kung paano magkaroon ng magandang platform kung saan ko i-invest yung perang i-invest ko.
You are lucky to be here, to be also funded for your education. You're also lucky because you have now the power of the knowledge. Don't limit it to yourselves. Take that opportunity to teach your families now.
So, I would first like to thank our speaker for today kasi ang dami ko pong natutunan about misconceptions po talaga about money and investment. Expose ko yung sarili ko, akala ko dati ang investment ay para sa mayaman lang. Kasi since syempre mag-i-invest lang ang dapat na may extra. So, yun pala yung number one na ways para mag-invest. And natamaan ako sa sinabi ni ma'am na we need to reassess. Kasi magastos akong tao. Kasi pag may small wins ako, kaagad akong lumalabas. I always go out to celebrate. So, ganun ako. So, sana hindi lang ako. Alam ko hindi lang ako. Aminin nyo na. The financial literacy po, sa kabataan pa lang, para we could know, since maybe our generation would help na lumaki yung population in investment. As ma'am said, kailangan natin tanongin kung paano kasi walang mabilis na pera. In which, that is the toxic trait of us Filipinos na gusto natin na mabilis na pera, in which dapat matutunan natin yung whole financial literacy.
Na-appreciate ko siya sobra kasi nung tinignan ko na yung sarili ko sa mga pinaggagawa ko, sabi ko talaga, ba't parang kulang yung mga ginagawa ko sa finances. Talagang hindi ako hands-on. And syempre, na-inspire ako na I want to do more then. And nakikita ko rin yung, syempre, ibang tao, sabi nga 4%. So, kung ako, hindi ako on hand sarili ko, how much more sila? So, I just hope na pati sila maabot at magkaroon din sila ng maging literate din sila when it comes to finances.
Learn to assess your budget like constantly kasi imposible na hindi mo siya isipin na i-reassess ng i-reassess. Hindi siya pwedeng mangyari na once mo lang siya i-assess kung paano mo siya i-allocate sa mga expenses, ganyan. Kasi may mga times na you have to adjust and reconsider your priorities.
Hello, I am Elisa Bianca Cagunan, a GT REAP scholar from Adamson University. What I am looking forward po for this event is besides that, I will be meeting the other scholars. I will also be able to meet the people behind GT Foundation, and at the same time, I will be able to learn valuable lessons with my co-peers and the sessions that will be conducted today. Nalaman ko po kasi yung GT REAP nung nag-email po yung Adamson email po namin. Pero upon checking nga po nung email, nakita ko nga po na for 4th year siya and available po for accountancy. Masaya po ako kasi malaking opportunity po ito, especially na 4th year na, and marami na po talagang expenses pagdating po ng last year. So, it's a good opportunity nga po for not just for me but also for my families, for my career din, since nasabi nga po or na-mention po na dito rin po ako magsa-start na mag-build din ng careers.
Ako po si Mark Dominic D. Palomo, 4th year BSB AFM from Technological Institute of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa GT Foundation for giving us opportunity. Sana po marami pa silang matulungan na students. Sobrang proud po and thankful sa GT Foundation na bigyan ako ng opportunity na ma-express ko yung sarili ko at mabigyan ng scholarship.
Ako nga pala si Kyle Brian Bautista, 4th year marketing student from TIP Manila. Actually emotional kasi isa na akong scholar ng GT Foundation and hindi ko nga ina-expect na mangyayari. But at the same time, grateful ako sa opportunity na ipinagkaloob sa akin ng GT Foundation. And sana marami pa rin silang matulungan ng mga estudyante katulad ko.
Hello, ako po si Erica Nicole A. Garcia, 4th year marketing student from TIP Manila. Natutuwa po ako sa event today na nakasama ko ang iba't ibang scholars from different schools. Nagkaroon po kami ng interaction para i-share yung aming mga insight, knowledge na magagamit po namin throughout our graduating year. Tas mas marami pa po akong ipag-privilege na pagpapasalamat at sana mas marami pa pong matulungan ang GT Foundation. Maraming salamat po.
Hello everyone, ako nga pala si Albert Josel V. Moreno, 4th year mechanical engineering student from TIP Manila. Masaya ako ngayong araw dahil nakilala ko ang iba't ibang estudyante na kagaya kong naging scholar ng GT REAP Foundation. Nagkaroon kami ng makabuluhang araw dahil sa mga paggawa ng mga aktibidades na parte ng programa. Ako'y labis na nagagalak at nagpapasalamat mula sa GT Foundation dahil sa scholar na binigay nila sa akin at naway marami silang matulungan.
Out in the street, we're all hanging together and we don't need a thing. We know, let's go. can't deny it. Life's a treat, I just wanna try it. This is the good life. Soak in the good.
Nasa ating mga kamay, nasa atin ang kapangyarihan kung anong future ang makikreate natin. Nasa atin ang susi. Pero mahirap, magkakaroon ng challenges. Sabi nga ni Lilac, magkakaroon ng discouragement. Kaya, tingnan nyo rin yung mga kasama nyo dito. Kasi mas nagiging madali kapag hindi natin mag-isang pinapasan. If we have a community that is supporting each other.